my sparkle tees and happy Saturday. 1 second. Okay guys, so I'm back and today, happy Saturday. My spring break is almost over, it's over on Sunday. 1 second. That was voicemail, but today I'm just going to play some of my slimes that I have, and I put them in different containers, so yeah. And my slimes aren't sticky anymore, so yeah, let's get straight on to the video. So let's get on with the foot. Pony fist ball. I haven't been able to play with this one because it's so sticky, but it's not sticky anymore. Yeah, so that was the first one. But if you poke it too much, it'll rip. So the bubble will rip. It's super jiggly still. Now on to the next slime. Okay, next up is this slime. It has dots on the bottom and it's bubbly on the top. So yeah, just gonna super colorful. Smells really good. Smells like this perfume. It smells super good. Just do an outer layer on top. Now it just has a weird smell. So I'm just gonna add some soap to this so it smells like that. But Yeah, that was that one. Now to butter one. Doesn't really create bubbles on top. Sorry if you hear dogs barking in the background. It's some neighbors' dogs. One second. There's also somebody talking outside. I don't know who it is, but it's the butter slime. Now to the last slime. That's a huge bubble. Watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you for letting me hit 30 subscribers. I would like to hit 100. That's my goal for right now. 100. So yeah. Make sure to subscribe. Hit that notification bell right by the big red subscribe button. And thank you to all the people that subscribed. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Oh, son. Anyway, see you guys next time. Peace.